Solution to this question by accurate drawing will not be accepted. Point A and B, their coordinate is 4, 3, and 12, -7. Find the equation of line L to the perpendicular bisector of AB. So perpendicular bisector, we have the A and B here. So it will pass through the midpoint, bisect, and then we have the gradient 1 and gradient 2. Gradient 1 times gradient 2 equal to -1. Okay, so midpoint will be 4 plus 12 over 2, 3 plus -7 over 2. So the midpoint is 16 over 2, 8, -4 over 2, -2. Okay, and the gradient of AB is gradient A, -7 minus 3 over 12 minus 4, -10 over 8 is -5 over 4. So gradient 2 equal to -1 over gradient 1, then is 4 over 5. So we have the y minus -2 equal to 4 over 5 x minus 8. So y equal to 4 minus 5, 8, 4 over 5, 8 minus 32 over 5 minus 2. So y equal to 4 over 5x minus 42 over 5. So this will be the perpendicular bisector. Okay. Next. Okay. AB, line parallel to AB. So parallel to AB, that is the gradient equal to the gradient of AB, which is the -5 over 4. Okay. And then pass through the point 5, 12. Intersect L at point C. Find the coordinate of C. So we have the y minus 12 equal to -5 over 4 x minus 5. So y equal to -5 over 4x plus 25 over 4 plus 12. So y equal to -5 over 4x plus, so we have the 25 over 4 plus 12, then is 73 over 4. So this is the equation number 2, and just now this one is the equation number 1. So we sub equation 1 into equation 2. Okay, so uh, sub 1 into 2. So this one will equal to the -5 over 4x plus 73 over 4. So multiply with 20. Okay, because the LCM for 4 and 5 is 20. So 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4, 5. Okay. So we have the 16x minus 168 equal to -25x plus 73 times 5, 365. Okay. And then we have the 41x equal this one plus 42 times 4. This is 533. Okay, so the x divided by 41, then we have 13. Okay, sub x equal to 13 into the equation number 2. Then the y is -5 over 4 times 13 plus 73 over 4. So we have the -5 times 13 plus 73 over 4. So it's 2. So the point C will be 13, 2. Okay. Okay, so we have the point that is the 4, 3 is A, and then we have the 12, uh, 12, -7 as the point B, And then we have the point 8, negative 2 is the point C. Okay, so the perpendicular bisector, the equation is y equal to 4 over 5x plus 42 over 5. So it's 4 over 5x minus 42 over 5 minus, not plus. Okay, minus. Okay. And then the equation of the parallel is the y equal to negative 5 over 4x plus 73 over 4. Okay, so we have the uh, y equal to 5 over 4x, and then mm, the plus negative 5 over 4x plus 73 over 4 plus 73 over 4. So plus 73 over 4 plus 73 over 4. Okay, so 12, 13, 13, 2. Yes, okay. So the this one, actually we have the y minus 3 equal to negative 5 over 4, and then x minus 4. Yeah, okay, okay, correct. Mm, okay, so this is point A, point B, perpendicular bisector, and then parallel to AB, and then pass through the point 5, 12, 5, 12. Okay. Mm, yes. Question number 2. The curve intersect at 0, 0 and the point A. Find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line OA. So we need to solve the uh we need to solve uh these two equations, simultaneous equation, to find the intersection point. So sub equation 1 into equation 2. So we have the square of the x square equal to 27x, x power 4 minus 23, 7x equal to 0. Factorize x power 3 minus 27 equal to 0. So we have x equal to 0, x cubed equal to 27, x equal to cube root of 27, which is 3. So we know x0, y0 lah. So sub y equal to 3, no, x equal to 3 into equation 1, then y equal to 3 square, which is 9. So point A is 3, 9. And then the point O is 0, 0. So we want to find the perpendicular bisector of OA. So we have the O, and then we have the A here. So perpendicular bisector, it will pass through the midpoint. So midpoint is 0 plus 3 over 2, 9, 0 plus 9 over 2. Then we have the 3 over 2, 9 over 2. And the gradient 1, gradient 2, gradient 1 times gradient 2 equal to negative 1. So the gradient 1 is the 9 minus 0 over 3 minus 0, then 9 over 3, 3. So the gradient 2 is negative 1 over gradient 1 is negative 1 over 3. So the equation of the perpendicular bisector of OA then it will be y minus 9 over 2 equal to negative 1 over 3 x minus 3 over 2. So negative 1 over 3x plus 1 over 2 plus 9 over 2. So we have the y equal to negative 1 over 3x plus 5. 10 over 2 is 5. Okay, that. Question number 3. Line y equal to 5x plus 6 meet the curve at point AB. Find the coordinate of AB. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So we sub the equation 1 into the equation 2. So we have the x times 5x plus 6 equal to 8. Then 5x squared plus 6x minus 8 equal to 0. And then we do the factorization. X, 5x, then 2 times 4, 8, 10 plus 10 minus 4. So we have the x equal to negative 2 and x equal to the 4 over 5. So y will be 5 times negative 2 plus 6, then negative 10 plus 6, 4. So y equal to 5 times 4 over 5 plus 6, then it's 10. So we have the negative 2, 4, and uh, 0.8, 10. Okay. Hmm. Okay, this is negative 10 plus 6, negative 4, negative 2, negative 4. Yeah. Next, find the coordinate of the point where the perpendicular bisector of AB meet the line y equal to x. So we want to find the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we have the A and B and perpendicular bisector M, and then uh, gradient 1, gradient 2, something like this. So we have the midpoint is negative 2 plus 0.8 over 2, negative 4 plus 10 over 2. So the midpoint will be negative 1.2 divided by 2, negative 0.6, and then 6 over 3, 2 is 3. Okay, and the gradient 1 is 10 minus negative 4 over 0.8 minus negative 2. So we have 14 over 2.8. So 14 divided by 2.8, then is 5. So the gradient 2 is negative 1 over gradient 1 is negative 1 over 5. Okay, gradient 1 times gradient 2 equal to negative 1. So we want to find the equation. It will be y minus 3 equal to negative 1 over 5. And then x minus negative 0.6. Okay. So we will have the uh, so 5y minus 15 equal to negative x minus 0.6. Okay, and then this one we will have the x plus 5y equal to 15 minus 0.6 is 14.4. This is equation number uh, we have equation 1, 2. So this is 3 and this is 4. So we sub equation 3 into the equation 4. Then y equal to x. So we have the x plus 5x equal to 14.4. 6x equal to 14.4. X will be the 14.4 divided by 6. Then we have the 2.4. Okay, so y equal to 2.4. So 2.4, 2.4 is the intersection between the line y equals x and the perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, that. Okay, or we can write as fraction that